If you love indulging in freshly brewed tea or coffee, but dislike the hassle of complicated brewing tools, this Pinky Up Riley mini glass tea press pot is your new best friend. It's cute, compact, and efficient, offering everything you need to enjoy a rich, flavorful cup of loose-leaf tea or freshly ground coffee without the fuss. This tea press pot combines aesthetics with functionality, giving you an easy and stylish way to prepare your favorite beverages. In this detailed review, we'll explore why this product is a must-have for any tea or coffee enthusiast, and why it's worth your investment. Why the Pinky Up Riley mini glass tea press pot is a game changer. Are you looking for a convenient, stylish, and effective way to brew tea and coffee in one pot? Look no further. The Pinky Up Riley mini glass tea press pot is designed for those who appreciate fine beverages without the weight. Its 12 oz capacity is perfect for individual servings, making it an excellent choice for anyone who enjoys personal tea breaks or coffee moments. Key features: compact and portable. With a 12 oz capacity, this press pot is ideal for single servings, making it easy to use at home or at the office. Its mini size ensures you can take it anywhere without sacrificing counter space or convenience. Elegant design. The beautiful pink stainless steel accents give it a chic, modern look, making it a standout accessory for your kitchen or office desk. Who says functionality can't be stylish? Borosilicate glass for durability. Borosilicate glass not only adds a level of sophistication, but also ensures the pot is durable and resistant to thermal shock. This feature means your tea or coffee stays hot without compromising the integrity of the glass. Easy to use. No need for complicated instructions. Just add your loose-leaf tea or coffee grounds, pour hot water, steep, press, and enjoy. It's that simple. Perfect for loose-leaf tea lovers. Tea enthusiasts know that loose-leaf tea offers a richer, more aromatic experience than tea bags. The Pinky Up Riley mini glass tea press pot allows the leaves to fully expand, releasing all the nuanced flavors locked inside. The built-in stainless steel leaf tea infuser strains your tea with precision, ensuring that no leaves escape into your cup. Whether you prefer green, black, or herbal teas, this press will handle it with ease, leaving you with a pure and delightful beverage. Coffee lovers, rejoice. But don't be fooled into thinking this press pot is only for tea. Coffee lovers will find it just as useful. Its French press functionality extracts maximum flavor from coffee grounds, delivering a bold, smooth cup of coffee every time. The small 12 oz size is perfect for those who only need a single cup, making it a great addition to your morning routine or midday pick-me-up. Hot or iced, your choice. Whether you prefer your beverages piping hot or refreshingly cold, this tea press pot accommodates both. You can brew iced tea or cold brew coffee just as easily as hot drinks. The borosilicate glass keeps your hot drinks insulated, while also ensuring that cold drinks stay crisp and refreshing. Durable and stylish design. While its functionality is top-notch, its design is equally impressive. The combination of borosilicate glass with pink stainless steel accents is sleek, modern, and eye-catching. This tea press pot isn't just practical. It's a piece of decor that will enhance any kitchen or office space. It's a conversation starter that will draw admiration from anyone who sees it. Built for convenience. The Pinky Up Riley mini glass tea press pot's ease of use cannot be overstated. Its compact size makes it simple to store, and its dishwasher-safe components make cleaning a breeze. Whether you're a busy professional who needs a quick coffee break or a tea aficionado looking for a personal brewing experience, this tea press pot is designed for you. Ideal for gifting. Finding the perfect gift for the tea or coffee lover in your life just got easier. The Pinky Up Riley mini glass tea press pot comes in an adorable gift-ready package, making it an excellent choice for birthdays, housewarming gifts, or even as a thoughtful just-because present. Its blend of practicality and style means it's a gift anyone can appreciate, whether they are new to tea and coffee brewing or seasoned pros. Why you'll love it. Easy and efficient. Brew your tea or coffee quickly and without any hassle. The press mechanism ensures you get the full flavor with minimal effort. Compact size, ideal for personal use and small spaces. You don't need to dedicate an entire corner of your kitchen to enjoy fresh tea or coffee. Stylish design. The pink stainless steel accents make this tea press pot not only functional, but also a fashionable statement. Durable build. Borosilicate glass offers strength and insulation, so your drinks stay hot or cold without risk of breaking the pot. Conclusion: is it worth your money? The Pinky Up Riley Mini Glass Tea Press Pot is the perfect blend of function, style, and convenience. Whether you're looking for a personal tea or coffee brewing experience, or a thoughtful gift for a friend, this tea press pot has it all. Its durable construction, chic design, and simple operation make it a standout product that you'll use daily. For those who are serious about enjoying their tea or coffee at its best, this mini press pot is an investment worth making. Plus, its versatility means you're not just limited to hot drinks, the possibilities are endless. So what are you waiting for? Treat yourself to the Pinky Up Riley Mini Glass Tea Press Pot today and elevate your tea and coffee experience to new heights.